Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, this one is really cute. She's not as long as I usually go, but I'm feeling her. Stay tuned. Hey, it's time to slay. Okay, so I am churning these videos out. I have this a lovely wig named Nella. She's, got an old-fashioned name, but we gonna roll with it. So yeah, she is a Nutique Illuze wig. Even though it says that she's not a 13 by 4 or 7 or 6 or whatever, she is definitely like a 13 probably by 4. And if I had to give a exact measurement, because she's not described as that. She is just described as having full lace, but it's not a full lace wig. It's definitely part lace and part cap. So yeah, now as you can see in the little tiny picture, oh, you know what, I think I have this picture next to what I'm doing. It comes in the straight part, but when I took my wig out my box, it was in the side part. So I liked it. I decided to keep it styled with this left side part. I just pulled a few hairs from the edge just to give it a more realistic look. I've been on my pluck pluck definition, get that hyper realistic look lately. So yeah, styling this wig was so easy. It was like butter. I always say that. I had a lovely woman comment on my previous video to this upload, that I make everything look easy or whatever. And I didn't realize how, to me, what would be perceived as easy would probably be complicated or a challenge, for less experience, or just, women who just on the go and really don't have the time. That's why I recommend like fixed parts, part wigs for, you girlies or whatever who are looking for something quick and want something that you could just style a few little baby hairs and go about your business. So yeah, that's definitely why I feel like fixed part wigs is more so for the pop and go girlies, but or the low maintenance girlies. But yeah, so anytime that you are working with a full lace frontal, I mean, you can go for the no baby hair, more realistic look, if you just make sure you do a jagged cut to your lace and you plug just a little bit. And even if you don't want to plug this wig, when I tell y'all, this lace is phenomenal. Okay, I find that this lace front and the pre-plucked the pre-plucking that they did on this wig is top tier, and it's probably on the same level and quality as bare lace wigs. Okay, so it's definitely giving bare lace a run for their money. Okay, all right. But yeah, so I decided to do like this side part. As you can see with the bang, it was so easy to do because the cut and the layering of this wig just made it so easy, as you can see. Yes ma'am. So I already had her on. I don't know why I didn't get on here, with my cap, but y'all know I got a cap underneath this wig. So anyway, once I put her on my hairline, I do got like an overarching hairline to where it normally goes past just a little bit, sometimes past a 13 inch frontal. So sometimes I do have to make sure that I have the baby hair styled in a way to where it can either blend with the few hair strands that my natural hair has poking out, or I make sure that I style it to where I can conceal it. So I do on my temples, well, not on my temples, but like above my eyebrows, I do, it does line up with an overarching hairline or whatever. So yeah, so that's what you see me do. I took my little tiny flat iron and I styled a few extra pieces of baby hair just so I can go in and in a creative, cute way conceal the baby hair. I took a little bit of gel. It didn't take much because, like I said, the quality of this lace is so good. It's really thin. I take my concealer in a 320 because I went up from a 330 because it was still giving me copper blowback with 330, and I find that with 320 it gives me the pigment that I need. It can be a little chalky, so you don't want to go too crazy with it, ladies, if y'all do decide to go from a 330 foundation to a 320. So I was feeling the way that it looked. I normally don't go with shoulder length hair, but I enjoyed this wig, y'all. Like, it came out so cute, and it was just giving me my cute, you know, baby hair life. I tied it up so that my Fit Me can, you know, bake, set, and all that goodness, after I sprayed it with some Got2b spray. And now I'm taking it down. This is the first time I wore it since styling it. I took a little bit of conditioner water with my Y2 comb and, you know, just lightly and gently got those curls back to popping. Got that, you know, really pretty layered bang, you know, front and center as it should be. And it came out so gorgeous. This wig, I'm telling y'all, it's so worth it. I enjoyed it. Please stay tuned to the rest of this video so I can let you know what I like about it and do I recommend her and all that goodness. All right, y'all. Bye. Hey, JuiceDrops, JuicyNashae here, and I am back with, you already know, another cute wig. Okay, so what is her name? Let me get her style card. Her name is Nella. Girl, hold on. I said it right. Her name is Nella. She is brought to you by Illuze, which is made by Nutique. Okay, so this is how she looks on the style card. But I have this wig in a Flamboyage autumn brown. Okay, she is a glueless unit, HD, undetectable lace and whatnot. She is described as a full lace wig. Girl, let's just say she is like a 13x4 or 13x7. So yeah, they probably should have just like put that on the description or whatever, but it's all good. She comes in these really pretty colors listed on the back. I'm definitely going to have to you know, get me another one of these because I love it already. She come with this tape. Don't use that if you want your edges. If you value your edges, don't use that. So anyway, yeah, so I'm not gonna spend too much time on that. Let's get into her 360 right here. Okay, so since I'm doing things hella quick, I put this wig on this video, so you see me put it on for the first time. So I could just tell you what I like about this wig. So far, I love this color. This color is, like I said, Flamboyage, excuse me, autumn brown, which is so pretty. It's great for the summer. It really goes with this, you know, cute Phoenix shirt that I got on or whatever. And it's great for the fall. Like, what are we about to go into after summer? Autumn show. So anyway, the color is so pretty. It has like really pretty copper tones in here, really pretty blondes, browns with some black roots. And you know your girl like black roots. The HD lace, I definitely have to say, girl, when I tell you that hairline, baby, whew, it gives bare lace a run for their money. It really do. And it's giving hella pre-plucked. I would compare it to the Bare Lace series of wigs. Like, styling this lace was like styling butter. I think that's it for my initial impression. Let's get into the close up. Alright, so like I was telling you in my first initial impression, it describes this lace as pre-plucked. It is definitely pre-plucked, y'all. Like, it is giving Bare Lace series of wigs. It is really giving them a run for their money. I just don't feel like I hear enough Brandon and Raven about Illuze wigs, especially their glueless series of wigs. I just don't hear enough. So come to your girl and I'm gonna tell you all about it. So anyway, yeah, so she comes styled like this in a straight part kind of. So it just was giving swoop. It was giving like, you need to swoop her. You need to swoop her. You need to swoop her. So it was very easy to achieve this swooped, you know, like bang, because it's really pretty and layered and already like cut for you to get that. I just kind of wasn't feeling it in that straight style that's on the style card. I just feel like it was calling for this style, and it's really giving. It's really giving like, you know, I don't know, 80s, 90s, you know, crossover, swoop, doop, you know, it's giving that. It's giving that. Like I said, styling this wig was like butter. I didn't have to pluck whatsoever. Like, y'all see me add 2 more little swoops to the baby hair on the tutorial. I added that, and I added this little swirly right here, and it came out so cute. I love it even more than I loved it before when I styled it on my wig head. So yeah, I think that is it for the close-up, ladies. The close-up is over. Let me get out your face. Alright, ladies, we are back from the close-up. Does she shed? I had got a few strands when I ran my fingers through it just to see, you know, just to see. But it wasn't really nothing to talk about. It probably ain't giving me no shedding or anything because I really didn't comb it all that much. I just combed it enough because of the friction that is, you know, been rubbing on my shirt since I've been having it on for a little while. Other than that, I really didn't get any snags. So I really foresee this being a great wig. I think it was in like the $50 range, I think. But it's well worth the money. Like I said, this color is everything. So I really foresee this wig lasting a good little minute if you ladies take care of it. What would I rate this wig if I was gonna give it a quick little rating? I would definitely rate it a 10 out of 10 to 10, 10, 10. Alright, ladies, with that, I'm not gonna hold y'all, I promise. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And also follow your girl on Instagram at JuicyNashae as well. Bye.